This is the leaky faucet, and it's leaking from both the handle right up under there and the actual faucet itself. So I hooked up a hose to it and turn it on. Coming out of the hose right there, and that's so I can see it out of this window. And then we're gonna go locate what I'm pretty sure is the main water valve, which is in this tiny little closet here, and it should be the one actually closest to the faucet that you want to turn off. And so some water outlet has been turned off, and let's see, sorry about my dirty windows. Yep, that hose is cut off, so that faucet is cut off. And now we can take it apart and see what's going on there. Alright, easy enough. There she is again. Let's get the tools out and go to town. There's a valve in here that comes all the way to the top of the handle, all the way down to this part of the faucet. There's two washers on this valve. One's at the top, one's at the bottom. This is the old style valve. If your water leak is coming up by the top, near the handle, you're going to need a top washer. If your water leak is coming out the actual spout, you're going to need a bottom washer. I'm going to take this whole valve out and show you what we're looking at. You take this screw at the top out and pull that handle off. Now if your leak is at the top, you want to take this top nut off and hold the bottom nut to keep it from turning. See how that washer in there is all corroding and falling apart? Pry that out of there in pieces if you have to, and take this nut to the hardware store and tell them to match it up with the right one. That's what's left of it. Just get every little piece out of there and tighten it back down and put the handle back on, turn the water on, and you should be good to go. That's if your leak was at the top near the handle. If it's coming out the actual outspout, you need a bottom washer. We have to take that whole valve out of there, so keep watching. And now that the top washer is replaced, it's time to remove the valve and do the bottom washer. So I take the whole valve out by turning the big nut, and the washer that you want to replace is down at the bottom and it screws on. Just take that screw out, match it up with another washer, and stick it back on there. Really basic, really easy stuff. Ain't no big thing.